What is the most disturbing fact about the universe?
Not necessarily disturbing, but eye-opening for me at least. You can fly through an asteroid field and never even notice. The density of the Kuiper Belt is approximately 8 times the mass of the Moon. Distributed over approximately 20,000 times the volume of the Earth, space is really, really empty.
You will never know.
Heat death. Matter becomes so diffuse that nothing interacts with anything else. No information is exchanged. Nothing happens or can happen.
The size and distances, it is literally beyond human comprehension. We can quantify it in numbers, but it does not fit in the human imagination to comprehend just how insanely vast it is.
Based on current observations, the universe is moving apart at an accelerating rate such that eventually, only approximately 5% of the currently visible universe will ever be accessible to us. By the time we get to the other 95%, it will be moving away from us faster than we are capable of traveling to it. Since it is regions of space and not three-dimensional objects that nuclear physics is concerned with, they can and will eventually move away from us faster than the speed of light. When that happens, trillion years give or take, space is really big, 5% of the visible universe is still like 23 million light years. The night sky will be solid black in all directions.
The universe is an ongoing explosion. That's where you live, and an explosion also. We don't know what living is. Sometimes atoms arranged in a certain way just get very haunted. That's us. When an explosion explodes hard enough, just wakes up and thinks about itself, and then writes about it.
We may be living in a false vacuum which could potentially decay at any instant, destroying everyone and everything in the entire universe. The decaying bubble would expand outwards at the speed of light, so we wouldn't even know it was coming until everything just chance.
You are closer to the biggest thing in the universe, the observable universe itself, than you are to the smallest thing in the universe, the Planck distance.
Something that keeps me up at night is that the universe itself will likely end eventually. But what if, after it ends, another Big Bang happens? Then, billions of years go by. Humanity is reborn, we evolve from apes again, invent the wheel, go into space, and I still get my order fucked up by DoorDash.
There will be a point whereby nothing can happen or will happen again. Time will be a meaningless concept at that point.
It's unimaginably huge, and almost all of it will kill you instantly. I can't think of a clearer piece of evidence that reality wasn't made for us, other than this one tiny spot. We don't really fit in it.
That every single thing in the entire universe is either a duck or not a duck.
Just think of how old it is. It hasn't showered once.
I am way too stoned for this threat.